For round 12, you will need to do a sequence of 5 single crochets followed by a decrease, repeated 6 times. This will bring the stitch count down to 36 stitches. Remove the stitch marker and make your first single crochet. Place the stitch marker back. Make 4 more single crochets. Now make a decrease in the next 2 stitches. Insert your hook into the first stitch under the front loop only. Without moving away, insert your hook under the front loop of the following stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn through both front loops. Yarn over again, pull through the 2 loops on the hook to complete the decrease. That's the first sequence for this round. Let's make another one. Make 5 single crochets. Then decrease the next 2 stitches, going under the front loops only, just like before. Continue making 4 more sequences of 5 single crochets followed by a decrease. By the end of the round, you should have 36 stitches left.